Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to open a brand new tub of Pro-Raso. So this will guarantee a really nice creamy lather. Even with this water in Slovenia, you can see the water here is really hard, but this salt's really got a thick lather. They do it in green and white, but this red, see, look at that building up. It's got sandalwood in the mix, so it's ideally suited for people who have tough beards. So there we go. So we've got an interesting razor today. It's medical or military blade. I think this is the original case. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. A bit tight. And it's Sfk. It's really stiff, so I don't think it's seen much use. And it's called a Wapiencia. Polish made for military use or medical use. The scales are stainless steel. The blade's made out of the best Swedish steel, carbon steel, made around about 1950s to 1970s, and it's a quarter hollow with a French point. You can see that French point. So, as I say, I don't think it's seen much use. It's really stiff. So, I'll just do a shave test on this today. Quite a heavy blade as well. Makes me wonder about the history of this blade, whether it's been used in the medical or military. Might have been used by a gynecologist. Nice smooth blade though. So at least you can guarantee that the scales won't rust. It's a decent blade though. I could tell when I was just refreshing the blade and cleaning it up. There's a couple of marks on it. There's a few scratches on it commensurate with age. But I mean, that's only cosmetic. does the job perfectly well. Got a nice French point, so it can get into all the corners, you know. The scales are quite heavy. With them being made out of stainless steel, they're quite. Which is not a problem. I've just nicked myself there on my crease, I wasn't stretching it enough. So I'll just sort that problem out. These Allen blocks are great. Really cheap. And they do the job first time. So I'll just stop that. There's nothing to do with the razor, it's just probably a blemish on my skin. You know, you get the odd spot or a friend, you know. Sorted that. And this has taken off about 4 or 5 days growth. It's just here, when you try to turn the blade or rotate the handle, you can feel the weight of the handle. Which is not a problem. You just have to be aware of it. So that's a basic shave test over with. I might just leave my gorgie for a bit. Give my chin a rest. So there I have it. If you want something a little bit different, a little bit military. It's in very nice clean condition all around. And like I said, there's a few scratches on the blade, just with edge. You get that. I'm sure if it bothered you, you could polish them out, but it doesn't really bother me. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll be doing some more videos next week. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.